I took a ceramics class and I learned that you can actually make your own clay using soil. Not any soil though. You have to get soil that's near a river, a lake, or somewhere near the water. And the reason for that is that soil has a lot of minerals, and the minerals really make and shape the clay. So let's say, I don't know, I am going to a lake. There's this lake near my house called Lake Anza. If I go there with a bag, pick up some soil, really deep in, shovel it, and put it inside my bag. You're gonna wanna put it inside your bag and close it. And you're gonna wanna put it in a very dark space, just so the soil kind of soaks in all the water, the moist that's in it. And obviously the thing with making your own clay, you have to wait and be patient about it. So it may take some time for it to actually form itself. But once you have that clay in your hands, you're gonna feel really accomplished because you made your own clay, but also you can mix it with clay that you buy. This clay that I bought for like $6. So that's a little bit about clay. And with this clay, what's different is it's air dry. Other clay, like the clay that you make, sometimes you can't let it air dry and you'll have to use these really fancy ovens. Hence the oven over there. They're really fancy and super expensive, and I live in an apartment and I can't own an oven like that. So that's why it's always best to go with some air dry clay, because you can either put it in the oven for 150 degrees and then let for it to get hot, and then let it air dry for a few minutes, and then it'll become really stiff and it'll have a form something like this where, oh, I may have banged a little bit too hard, but that's okay. It's all right, because we're gonna make another one.